What? $60 for just clicking buttons and testing different apps? Stick with me, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'm going to show you top 7 websites that pay you up to $60 per hour for simply testing different apps, softwares and websites. And in some cases all you have to do is just see if the buttons are clickable. So you're clicking buttons, you're giving your feedback, you're becoming a tester, and you're cashing in on the big bucks. But before we jump in, let me give away $10 as always. So if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. And right now let me share my screen with you guys and let me show you exactly how to make up to $60 per hour online. Now the first website I wanted to show you, and I'm going to show you a total of 7, is 99tests.com. And essentially this website is looking for testers for, again, testing different apps, websites, pieces of software, etc. So all you have to do is just go to 99tests.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're gonna click on join a tester right here, and as you can see it will open up this page, and on this page you have all the information. So as you can see, they are rewarding passionate testers. You're going to join a community of 20 plus software testing professionals. What you're going to do, obviously going to learn, explore. They have international testers, so this absolutely works from anywhere in the world. You don't have to be in the US. As you can see, you got the US, the Ukraine, Great Britain. So they have 45,000 testers and 325 customers, which means that they have companies that they work for on ongoing basis. So you know, it's not like you're gonna get one job and that's it. You will be getting tests over and over and over again. As you can see, they got diverse testing projects, freedom of choice. You're gonna get paid for testing, networking opportunities. Again, get paid for testing, and as you can see, top testers are these guys here. I suppose they are from India or you know, anywhere from the Middle East. So how do you get paid? As you can see, it says payments are based on the complexity of the task and the amount fixed for the testing project. The final amount for the valid bugs logged by the testers will be paid online via PayPal accounts of the testers. So again, you are getting PayPal payments, super cool, and the amount will be different depending on how big the project is. So 99tests.com, you can sign up for free and see what kind of jobs they have available right now. But that's only the first website. I'm going to show a total of 7, so let's see the second one. The second one is usertesting.com, another one of these websites that are looking for testers just like you, and they're willing to pay, in some cases, a lot of money for testing. So all you're gonna have to do is just click on get paid to test. This will bring up this page right here, and as you can see, it says earn up to $60 per test. You're gonna visit a website or an app. You're gonna complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you're gonna get paid. So how it works, you're gonna get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. That's on average. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps or complete a set of tasks. Then, as you can see, they've been already featured in the New York Times, Lifehacker, the Wall Street Journal, the Huffington Post, and they are working with big companies like Apple, like Microsoft, like Twitter, eBay, Yahoo, Adobe, Evernote, Dropbox, Facebook. So you will be working for big companies, and this is 100% legit. They are actually paying out, and as you can see, they are accepting testers from all the following countries. So this works in from anywhere in the world. Okay, so Africa, Middle East, India, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, and United States and Canada. So you can work from anywhere in the world, and again, earn up to $60 per test. This is the amount of money that you can make. So this is no pocket change. You can actually make real money this way. So usertesting.com, that's number 2. And number 3, I have testingtime.com. So very similar to user testing. As you can see, they recruit test users for usability tests, focus groups, interviews, surveys, and more. Again, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click right here, become a test user. This will bring up this page, and this website actually pays up to 50 euro per hour, which is $60. Very, very exciting. And as you can see, you're going to be testing products at home via Skype or on the site with the customer. You're going to impact the product of tomorrow. You're one of the first people to test future products. You can take a break and try something new, and they guarantee variety, fun, and extraordinary experience. So again, all you have to do right now is just enter your first name, email, click on I want to become a tester, and you're going to get all the information. And these guys work with some big companies, again, like Doodle, Trivago, UBS, etc. So this is absolutely a legit website, and they are paying out. Website number 4, I got validately.com for you. As you can see, another one of these websites that work with big companies like Google, like Amazon.com, like Allstate, like Microsoft. And again, what we are going to do is we will click right here where it says get paid to test, and you're going to get all the information. You're going to be testing websites, making money. It is that simple. Thousands of companies use Validately to improve their products, including all the big ones that I already mentioned. So you're going to sign up, start talking test, and then get paid. They are paying out via PayPal. You have to be 18 years old and you must use Google Chrome. So these are the only 2 things. Another thing is that you must have a PayPal account. So all of these websites are paying out via PayPal, but that's not a problem. Obviously, opening a PayPal account is free, and the cool thing is that once the money is in your PayPal account, you can pay it out directly to your bank account, or you can just buy anything online. PayPal is an amazing solution. Next up, we got number 5, userfeel.com. Another one of these websites. As you can see, they are targeting big companies, and they are saying that this is a quick and easy user testing. Even more amazing big companies, so TripAdvisor, 99 Designs, Emirates, Tesco, Target, big companies. And as you can see, what you're gonna do to become a tester is just click right here where it says become a tester. This one bring up this page, and this one actually pays $10 per test. And as you can see, each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes, so you can make anywhere from $30 to $60 per hour. These are super simple tests. Again, you're going to be testing apps, websites, software. You're going to be essentially seeing if everything works, if all the buttons are clickable, and they even have a little demo right here, so you can just click right here where it says see how it works to see the entire demo. And just 2 things to notice. As you can see, we need the tester to perform the required task according to the test scenario, speak loudly and clearly into the microphone, perform the test in a quiet place, continuously explain what they are doing and why, see what confuses them, propose things that could help them perform the required task better, provide useful comments, and thoroughly answer the questions in writing at the end of the test. And as you can see, and how do I get paid and how much? As you can see, it says for each test you conduct after the initial qualification test, you're gonna get paid $10. And again, the test can be as long as 20 minutes, as short as 10 minutes, and you're gonna get paid via PayPal. So you can open a free account if you don't have one. I think you already have a PayPal account. So userfeel.com. And number 6, we got Try My UI, so TRYMIUI.com. Another one of these websites. As you can see, these websites work with different companies, and they improve their blog, their product, their app, their concept, their idea, etc. So again, we're gonna click on get paid to test button, and all the information is right here. All we're gonna do right here is just enter your full name, PayPal email address, your password, confirm the password, and we're gonna click right here where it says I'm not a robot. Very important. How will I be paid? We send payments out every Friday through PayPal. Tests are cleared for payment after being reviewed and accepted by our graders. So that's essentially it. Again, another one of these websites that pay out via PayPal for testing, and you can make some extra money if you're gonna sign up for just 1 or 2 or 3 or all of these, okay? And number 7, we got userzoom.com. So the same exact idea. This website works with product developers, and you're gonna be helping them to discover, validate, and measure exactly what works, what doesn't work, You know, all the information is right here. You can check it all out. You're gonna just click on careers, as you can see, and you're gonna get all the information. So these are the top 7 websites that you can get paid up to $60 per hour via PayPal, simply for clicking buttons, testing different apps, websites, and products. So good luck with it, but before you go, let me see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. And my previous video is this one right here: get paid to like videos, $3 per click, automatic PayPal payments. So let me grab the URL, let's go to YouTube random comment picker, and let's see how many comments we have. We have 20 comments, and let's pick a random winner right now. We got Beats by XN, a good way to learn extra cash, and I have the email, so I'm going to send you $10 right now. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10 just like Beats by Evan just won, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to. So as you are seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations again. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10. I'm doing a $10 giveaway each time I'm uploading a video to this channel. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video as well. The top link is my top recommended resource for making money online, working from home. The second link is my secret formula for making money online. Then you can also work with me directly in my Art of Marketing Elite Club, and check out all the rest of the links. It's all free signups and my social media, so check it all out. And don't forget to check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording free videos, free training on how to make money online, how to work from home, how to earn an income from the internet. So check it all out, and I'll be seeing you very, very shortly in the next video. Ciao.